for chicken licken.
And today we are starting 4 chickens. As you can see right here, that's good for them. We will be testing them on tricks, main guidance, and walking up and down and balance. Right.
Here is our first chicken.
And what do we have here? Who is this?
This is young Tallulah. You will have anything to say? No. Let's carry on.
Now, as you can see, you can use your lover.
It might not do it right the first time, but they normally are quite good. Over. Good girl. Give Tallulah a big clap.
Well done. Now we will be taking her round to the second place. As you can see, this writing is very special. And our other chickens want to join in sometimes.
But they do like being together, you know.
And they like
Any more
taking
words?
the too.
No. Let's go.
Let's go with Tallulah. Your turn in a minute.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Hello. Come on, let's go.
Our first, this is a trick with balance.
They might not do it that time right, but they normally do. They're quite good.
They are very well.
They sleep on one of these all night. What? See, you gotta keep it still for them, or they won't ever stay on there.
Right. Okay.
Keep it still, and up you go. Whoa! You're a cheeky thing. Come here. We do train them. They just this one is very tight. So I don't blame him. Put it back here.
Now as you can see, when they like her.
And give Tallulah a big clap.
Well done.
Let's see how long she'll stay there for.
5, 1, 2, or 2 seconds.
Well, that's quite good for a chicken who's afraid of heights.
Yes.
So, that was just our first chicken. We shall do some more. We're just gonna have another chicken this time to do the same thing, just a different chicken.